First go to the file and choose open. Select the sky image, click open. Then go to the file and choose place embedded. This time choose this Youngman image, click place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Take the lasso tool and select the man like this. Now right click on this layer and choose feather. Set the feather radius to 5 pixels. Click OK. Right click and choose select inverse. Right click on this layer and choose rasterize layer. Now press the delete button to delete the selection. Right click and choose deselect. Now hold the control button and select these two layers. Open edit and choose auto blend layers. Here enable the stack images option. Press OK. Now press Ctrl E to merge these layers. Let's see the final result.